Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Jelena. I am mom of two and I have a 8-year-old boy and 2.5-year-old girl. On my channel you can find cleaning and organizing videos. Also I make fitness videos, some hauls, recipes and some DIYs. And I really hope some of that will sounds good to you and you will come check out my channel. Like it and subscribe. For all of you that are coming back, thank you so much for stopping by. In today's video I want to show you my 5 top favorite cleaning products, and I want to show you what I like about them and how I use them. Also, this video is a collaboration with my friend. Her name is Sarrrah, and she has a YouTube channel, and she is a mom, part-time stay-at-home mom, and she makes really fun videos very similar to mine. I'm sure you guys gonna love it. She is very real, she is sweet, she likes to talk like me, and she makes mommy vlog videos. They recently purchased their dream home, so she makes a lot of videos about that as well. She is a licensed esthetician, so on her channel you can find a lot of beauty tips as well. And without me talking too much, I'm gonna insert a clip over here so you guys can hear from her what her channel is all about, and then I'll see you back here.
Hey y'all, my name is Sarah and I have a family vlog channel. I have a husband, a whole husband, okay? A toddler. We do vlogs, like I said. We do clean with me, we do shop with me, all that fun stuff. We just bought a brand new house. It's amazing. I'm currently a stay-at-home mom, but don't get it twisted because your girl can go out and get a job, okay? Your girl's educated, okay? My husband is currently a business owner and I help him with that. However, your girl also owned a spa, okay? I had my own spa, lash artist. I'm an esthetician, licensed esthetician, but your girl also has a whole master's degree, so I'm here to help y'all. If y'all need any help with anything, y'all will really enjoy our vlogs, you guys. It's lit over here. I don't know if I'm too old to be saying that, but I'm saying it. I'm 30 years old, but go ahead and stop by and I'll appreciate it, and go ahead and hit that subscribe button, y'all.
I'm going to link her channel in the description box down below and also in the cards up here, so you guys can go ahead and check it out. And if you do, please leave a comment to her video, tell her you're coming from my channel, introduce yourself, just say a few nice things to her. Okay, let's get started. Most of the cleaning products that I chose for this video are for everyday use, and in my house, the place that I clean pretty much every day is the kitchen. So a lot of the products are actually used in a kitchen, but I will show you a few other ones that I use throughout the house as well. Okay, let's start with the first one. When it comes to multi-purpose sprays, I love Mrs.Meyers sprays, and one of my favorites, it doesn't matter what season we're in, doesn't matter what smell is in right now, I love lavender. So this is one of my favorite products. Not only that it smells amazing, every time when I use it my house smells like a field, lavender field. It also is natural. As much as I can, I really try to use natural products. I know sometimes that's not possible. You've seen in a few of my recent videos that I had to use bleach and some stronger products on my shower or on my toilet. But as much as I can, especially on the surfaces that we touch all the time, I like to use these all natural products. And if you never use this one or any of Mrs. Meyers products or Grow Collaborative, you guys need to go check it out. They are amazing. The prices are great and just quality is amazing. You know, I have a toddler in the house and I spray everything, and also her high chair tray, and I know it's safe. I will insert a picture over here so you can see it as well, but it says, we make effective, trusted formulas made with plant-derived ingredients, natural essential oils, birch bark extract. So they use only natural products, and that's what I love about them. So for everyday cleaning, even in my bathroom, if I do just light cleaning, I like this for sure. Okay, on to the next one. Something that I use all the time for my windows, for my mirrors and all the glass surfaces is this product, and it's Sprayway glass cleaner. Guys, I tried many different cleaners and this one is by far my favorite. It makes a foam, which I like, and also it does not leave streak. That was my only problem. I tried DIYs, I tried Windex. I never liked any of those. I mean, it's fine, but not perfect. This one, every time it cleans it perfect, dries right away, and it doesn't leave any streaks, which was very important for me. In my new house, we have a lot of windows, and I like that. I like that there's a lot of natural light, but also that means that I need to keep those windows clean. I don't want a dirty windows. I mean, nobody wants it. So this one is perfect. And I think it's close to $3, maybe $2.50 in any grocery store like Walmart or any store. And this lasts for a long time. We also use it on a car when we clean car windows, so it works for that really good too. Now on to the next product. There is one product that I like to use on many surfaces, not only in a kitchen, but if I have any other places, like if you saw in my recent video about my shower, I use it over there, and that's a Barkeeper's brand. And this one is soft cleanser. I love that it's abrasive enough to take off all the grime and dirt, but not abrasive to scratch any surfaces. And it says over here that it's good for cookware, kitchen, bathroom, and other surfaces. And I mostly use this on my stainless steel cookware, and it does a wonderful, fantastic job. It makes it clean, sparkly clean with only a few drops, and I love that. But like I said, I used it in my shower and works great as well. And like, you know, this one is not expensive at all. I believe I purchased it in Ross store or TJ Maxx, I don't remember, and it was only like $2.99. So that's not expensive and lasts forever, seriously. I'm sure in some of my kitchen cleaning videos you saw that I have a glass top on my stove, and I need to be very strict with cleaning that. I have to clean it every single day after I'm done cooking, because I don't want it to get all built up with dirt or, you know, burnt food or anything like that, because it's going to be harder to clean it later on. But even if that happens, if I leave it on for a day or two for some reason, this product will definitely take everything off. Super easy to use, and I tried a couple of different ones. This one works the best. I also tried this Barkeeper's brand. It works also, but it will leave streaks, so it's not as good on glass surfaces, on a glass stove surface. But this one, it's perfect. Also, it cost only I believe $3.99 or $4.99. But it lasts for a long time, and the way I use it is just pour it on my top. I use paper towel and I just clean it off. If there is any part where there's burnt food, I scrape it off with the other side of the sponge, and it comes off right away. I really like this, and I recommend this if you want to keep your glass stovetop in a perfect condition. And the last product that I picked for this video is the same brand as the previous product. It's a Weiman stainless steel polish. This one is definitely one of my favorite ones. And like I said, I was trying to find more natural alternatives for cleaning my stainless steel, and it just didn't work. It smudged it all out, and I can see streaks, and that's what I don't like. Stainless steel, as you know, it needs to look nice and clean and shiny, and this is the product that actually does that for my stainless steel. I have all my appliances are stainless steel, and on my refrigerator, I don't like to put any magnets or anything on the front side, so you can see everything literally. So this is the product that works. It just works, and I like it. Also, it lasts for a long time as well, and you can buy it for a couple bucks in any kind of store. So those are my 5 favorite products that I use pretty much on a daily basis. Please tell me in the comments down below, do you use any of these? And if not, which one are your favorite products that you use all the time? Don't forget to check out Sarrah's channel, and if you're coming from her channel, welcome. I'm really happy you're here. I hope you will enjoy watching this video and my other videos. Stick around, click that like button, and subscribe to my channel as well. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Show me that you like this kind of videos. Thumbs up means a lot to me. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. Enjoy this Memorial Day weekend, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.